What's the meaning of criminalize? Criminalize. Criminalize.
Criminalize. Criminalize. Criminalize means to make an activity or behavior illegal and punishable by law. The result of criminalizing something is that anyone who engages in that activity or behavior can be prosecuted and face consequences such as fines, imprisonment, or other penalties as determined by the legal system. Criminalizing certain behaviors can serve as a deterrent to those who might otherwise engage in them and promote social norms and values that discourage such activities. However, criminalization can also lead to negative consequences such as increased rates of incarceration and disproportionate impact on marginalized communities.